windy. Last night's storms. At least it's not raining. Day 6. Gonna try big chicken. Try a big chicken sandwich. They put butter. Looks good. They dip the chicken in something. Some coastline. I'm not sure where we're exactly at. Found a lot of ducks right here. Let's look for ducks. Okay. This is the area we find a lot of ducks at. There's a buffet back at the Pig and Acre. On the Jubilee, Street Eats was open every day. Teriyaki chicken.
Thank you.
Thank you, that's good.
No sauce?
I'm fine. Oh yeah, a little bit of sauce. Yes, please. Thank you. There you go.
N34.
That's great. Miss Roper. Yep. Yep. They said the barbecue was a miss. Not any good. That's Uncle Bub.
Nick by Nick. All right. 6 times.
Don't hit it over the boat. You guys already played this course. Woo, look at that. Oh, wow. Yeah, put it in. Good job. Go ahead, good job. Oh yeah, we were right here.
Like 10 times probably.
Got your hole in one?
She has a hole in one.
Not that time.
It don't take much.
Look at that move. You got to kind of go slow. That one works. Ooh, that's gonna be good.
Stuff it in.
The live music on the ship was great. Rio Carnival was probably our favorite show. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.